ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
How to park a domain in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to park a domain. Click the aliases icon. Domain parking is useful when you have additional domain names that you want people to be able to use to get to your website. Enter the new domain you'll want to park. Then click Add Domain. That's it. Now when someone browses to example.info, they'll automatically be redirected to example.com. Be sure to set your parked domain's DNS settings to same as your main domain, so the redirect will work properly. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to park another domain name on your account from cPanel.